Excuse me. Are you free?
Yes, I am free. Where do you want to go?
Please take me to the office area.
Okay. Get in. Please take your seatbelt.
Sure. Thank you.
Are you in a hurry?
Yes, I am. I have a meeting this morning.
What time is your meeting?
It starts at 10. I don't want to get late.
I understand.
Can you drive a little fast, please?
I have to follow traffic rules, but I will try my best.
That's okay. Thank you for understanding.
Do you usually come by bike?
Yes. I come by bike every day.
Then why not today?
I am short on time today. And traffic is heavy in the morning.
Yes, mornings are always busy.
That's why I chose a taxi today.
Good decision. You can relax a little.
Yes. At least I don't have to worry about traffic.
We are almost there.
That's good. Thank you for driving carefully.
You're welcome. Here is your office.
Great. How much is the fare?
It's on the meter.
Okay. Here you go.
Thank you. Have a good meeting.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Hi. Good morning.
Good morning.
Nice weather today, right?
Yes, it's perfect for jogging.
I see you jogging here. Do you come to this park every day?
Yes, I come here daily.
Oh, that's nice. But I think I am seeing you for the first time.
Yes, that's true. I shifted to this area last month.
Oh, I see. So you are new here.
Yes. I started coming to this park regularly from the last 2 weeks.
That makes sense. I usually come in the early morning, but I miss a few days.
Oh, really? I usually come around this time.
That's good to know. This park is very peaceful.
Yes, I like it a lot. It helps me feel relaxed.
By the way, my name is Max.
Nice to meet you, Max. My name is Luna.
Nice to meet you too, Luna. If you ever need any help around here, you can tell me.
That's very kind of you. Thank you.
So, where are you from originally?
I am from New York City.
Wow, that's a big city. What brought you here?
I moved here because I got a job.
That's great. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
If you don't mind, maybe we can jog together sometime.
Yes, that would be nice.
Great. I'll see you around then.
Sure. Have a good day.
You too. See you later. Oh no! What happened to my face? My face is red. My hands also have rashes. I think I should visit a doctor.
Hello, Max. Please come in.
Hello, doctor.
What is the problem?
Doctor, I have rashes on my face and hands. They started this morning.
Do they hurt?
No, they do not hurt. But they itch a little.
Okay, let me check you. Don't worry, Max. This looks like an allergy.
An allergy? Is it serious?
No, it is not serious. You will be fine.
How did I get this allergy?
Sometimes allergies happen because of food. Tell me, what did you eat last night?
Last night, I ate fast food. I also ate some spicy snacks.
That could be the reason. Your body did not like that food.
Oh, I see.
I will give you some medicine. Take it 2 times a day.
Okay, doctor.
Also drink a lot of water. Do not eat spicy or junk food.
I understand. Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome, Max. You will feel better in 2 days.
That is good to hear. Thank you again.
Excuse me. Can you help me, please?
Yes, of course. How can I help you?
I am new to this city. I am looking for a bank.
Oh, I see. Which bank are you looking for?
Any bank is fine. I just need to use an ATM.
Okay.
I use my phone, but after coming here, my phone network gone.
Don't worry. I will help you.
Thank you so much.
The bank is not very far. It is just 5 minutes from here.
That sounds good. How do I go there?
Go straight on this road. Then turn left at the traffic signal.
Okay. Go straight and turn left.
Yes. You will see a big blue building.
A big blue building?
Yes. That is the bank.
Is it easy to find?
Yes, very easy. There is also a signboard.
That helps a lot.
If you want, I can walk with you.
That would be great. Thank you for being so kind.
You are welcome. I am happy to help.
I like this city already.
It is a friendly city. People help each other here.
I will remember this.
Look, here's bank.
Thank you again, Max.
Have a nice day. Good luck.
You too, goodbye.